Forward, welcoming you on board again soon. Ryanair, low fares, made simple.
And ladies and gentlemen, you are all very welcome to Bergamo Airport, where the local time is 10 to 1. For your own comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the landing, may fall out and cause you injuries. Laptop computers or larger portable electronic devices must remain switched off and securely stowed. You may now use your portable electronic devices. Please refrain from smoking until you have reached the designated smoking area or outside the terminal building. On behalf of Ryanair and your crew on board today, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we wish you a safe onward journey. Ladies and gentlemen, we kindly ask you please to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened at all times. For the disembark, according to the ENAC, Irish Italian Aviation Authority, you are requested to disembark row by row. So we ask your kind cooperation, remaining seated until we instruct you to start our disembark. Thank you for your kind cooperation.
Welcome to night arrival now to Bergamo. Grenada, Slagopo.